Alright, so here's a chart of the S&P E-mini futures. This is the micro contract, symbol is MES. Here you can see we had been in a long trade based on a buy signal and exited the trade, and then we're going to re-enter on a pullback entry. Alright, so these pullbacks happen all the time. We'll give you a low risk entry point, and we're going to apply the Navitrator velocity channel to this chart and enter a long trade on the lower portion of that velocity channel on a limit order. Here we put in a buy limit order. And here you see we got filled on that long position. And we're going to put stop just below that pullback level. And we'll exit the long position at the top end of the velocity channel. If you'd like to take advantage of free futures training, please go to our website at navitrator.com and sign up to be alerted by email for our free trainings webcasts that we have frequently.